The Lonely Star and the Lost Wish. High above the sleeping world, in the endless night sky, lived a little star named Luna. She was smaller than the others and often hid behind big clouds because she felt shy. Every night, she watched the other stars twinkle together, laughing and glowing brightly. But Luna always twinkled alone. One quiet night, as she sat by herself, a tiny golden spark floated toward her. It was a lost wish. Softly whispering, "Please help me find my dream." Luna's eyes sparkled with surprise. "A wish? For me?" she asked. The wish nodded gently. "I fell from a shooting star and lost my way." Luna decided to help. She glowed brighter than ever before and followed the trail of moonlight across the sky. Together, they passed sleepy clouds, curious owls, and the silver face of the moon. Along the way, Luna realized something magical. The more she helped the lost wish, the brighter she shined. Finally, they reached the dream river, where wishes are carried to people's hearts. Luna placed the lost wish on the sparkling water, and it floated away, glowing warmly. "Thank you," whispered the wish. "You've made my dream come true and your own." As the wish disappeared into the distance, Luna looked around and saw the other stars smiling at her. She wasn't lonely anymore. Her heart was full of light, and the sky twinkled back in joy. From that night on, Luna was known as the Wish Star, the one who helped dreams find their way home. And whenever you see a single bright star shining all alone, remember it might be Luna, still guiding lost wishes through the night.